The forests of central India are home to langur monkeys and spotted deer. Working together, they are very alert to danger. By sharing their sensory systems, they are more aware of potential threats and safer as a result. Living with each other has its advantages when it comes to meal times too. Spotted deer eat plants, but frustratingly, some of the best foods are often out of reach. Here, the langur monkeys lend a hand. They mostly feed on fruit from high in the forest canopy. And being both messy eaters and picky ones, a lot of food ends up on the forest floor, right next to the waiting deer. So, by sticking with the monkeys, the deer get more to eat. But what do the monkeys get from the deer? Living in this forest, there is a very well-camouflaged predator. The Bengal tiger can creep up on langur monkeys when they're down on the ground and they can't see very far. But the deer, with keen senses of hearing and smell, get wind of the imminent danger and sound the alarm. The monkeys understand their neighbors' warning calls and climb to safety up in the trees. From this high vantage point, they can help the deer. Once they spot the tiger, the monkeys start calling, keeping their eyes fixed on the threat. These calls are like a signpost telling the deer which way to run. Away from danger. The tiger's cover is blown, thanks to the monkeys and deer using their senses effectively and communicating as a team.